Today we're talking about Milwaukee. So I've had this bad boy for 2 months and I've been putting it through some rigorous testing. I do multifamily framing in the dead of winter and in whatever weather's getting thrown at us. Haven't had any problems with this thing yet. Takes 34 degree nails. Right now I've got 34s in, but you can kind of tell the angle, like 30s are gonna be better for you, but I haven't had any problems. Let's do a little couple test shots. And the other thing is like I don't put it on the bump fire mode. I usually just do single shot, and I don't have a problem at all. Because I find I just reset. I hold it, pull it, let the finger off, reset, and it's plenty fast enough. Oh, we had one. But I mean, I'm pretty much shooting like an ass. Like, if you want to shoot faster, then hook up your pass load air nailer. Yeah, it's not for banging walls. I think it's for back framing, climbing on the roof. People call it punch list or frame check, I call it. Cruising around, it's good to go. It worked in minus 30. Mind you, after 5 hours in minus 30, it kind of didn't sink them as good anymore. So I put it back in the truck. That's the other thing too. I've been treating this thing nice. Break time, I put it in the truck, let it sit. I don't leave it out in the dirt. I've been taking real nice care of it. So far, I friggin' love this gun, but mind you, it's only 2 months, so could go downhill pretty quick. But so far, I love the gun. Sings some good. What else is there to say about it, really? You got your depth set. And I'm only rocking the 5.0 battery. And it pretty much gets me through the whole day. I think I charged it on second break one time. Yeah, it's pretty minty gun. Don't have the extended clip. Not really super worried about it because I'm not banging walls. I'm just back framing stuff in. Like I said, I'm not banging walls together with it, so I don't really need the extended clip, and that's just gonna add more weight. And the weight, I think, is what everybody's talking about. It is heavy. It's heavy as hell. But we're framers, right? So I'm not dragging it around all day. I take it out for the stuff I need. And other than that, yeah, I mean, yeah, it's heavy. It's heavy as hell. But we're framers, so it's the way she goes. Anyways, this is 2 months review. Maybe I'll go in another 2 months and see if it's even still together. But so far, so good. I mean, a lot of people talk down about this gun, saying it's too heavy. You can only fit one clip of nails in, but you can't please everybody, can you? Pretty sick gun, if you ask me. Let's take a couple more shots for you. Maybe we'll put it on bump fire. Oh wait, that ain't right. I don't even know what I'm doing because I never put it in this mode. Okay, holding the trigger. Yeah. Not totally happy with that. But like I say, that's why I put it on single shot. Like, that's sinking them. Somebody's gonna walk through here and be like, what the hell was this guy doing? Anyways, pretty sick gun. We'll see you in another 2 months. Just talk about this one for a minute. This saw is pretty sweet. Anyways, what do we call this? We call this the 7 1/4 rear handle circular saw. Pretty sweet. Took a little getting used to. I was entering the cuts crooked and it was binding up on me, but it's because I'm used to the normal saws. Cut's pretty good, doesn't bog down, but I got one problem. Okay, so here's the problem. Most of the stairs that we're dealing with in these complexes, you're gonna find that your angle is gonna be 37, which makes the other side about 53. This saw is great, but when I go to cut my 53, I got the problem. Now I'm being a nitpicker here, like I'm being a real nitpick, but if I want my cut to be beautiful, it's just not quite there, and you're paying a big chunk of money for a saw, you want that all the way through. Anyways, still pretty good. Maybe it can come up, I don't know. It's real close, like it's real close. Anyways. Alright, cut to the truck. We're rolling up for the day. So I'd finish my review on the saw and the gun. And my professional opinion, not saying I'm a professional, that's that's pretty funny. But my opinion on the subject is those tools are super nice. They're top of the line, but you know what? To be quite honest, you could do the same work or better with cheaper tools, and I'm sure a lot of dudes would agree. It's not super necessary to spend all your money on the tools, but if you can afford it, they're super cool, slick. Sometimes it makes it faster, sometimes not. But it's all what you're into, and if it makes you happy, well then frickin' all the power to you. So that's gonna be about it for my review on those tools. They're super cool, and I'd love to get more Milwaukee gear. And anyways, hopefully I'll be checking out some more tools, and if you guys like this video, really help out if you subscribe, like, leave a comment, trash me, bash me. I just love it. It's too good. Anyways, you guys play safe out there. Take pride in your work. Have a good time. Catch you on the next one. Peace.